When it comes to hanging pictures on the wall, it can be tempting to bang in a nail or put in a screw. But is it going to last? What you need is a heavy-duty picture hanger. These sturdy picture hooks will hang your paintings on the wall without them ever coming down. The great thing is that they are easy to use and install. Hanging a picture should never be a hassle and never will again. Nails may work fine, but there is a chance that a picture can slip off from it. With a picture hanger, you do not have this problem. There are numerous options for cheap picture hanging strips, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable picture hanging strips from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Command large picture hanging strips. Not surprisingly, the best strips also come from Command. These innovative picture hangers click together, then stick to the back of the frame. After that, you remove the adhesive backing and press the entire thing onto your wall. The click-together component ensures your pictures are always level, while the nail-free design ensures no holes in your walls. Number 2. Command medium wire hooks. Command has quickly become a household name thanks to its damage-free picture hanging solutions. These wire hooks have adhesive backings that stick to painted walls, finished wood, metal, tile, and even glass. Not only that, but they promise not to leave behind a sticky residue. Each hook can only support 2 pounds of weight, but they're still great for small pictures, Christmas stockings, calendars, keys, sunglasses, hats, kitchen utensils, tools, office supplies, and wardrobe accessories. For lighter items. Number 3. EesTeck 50-pack small Sawtooth picture hangers. Steel Sawtooth mounts can make hanging pictures a breeze, and if the level is off slightly, you can easily adjust them without having to move any nails or create new holes. We like this affordable option from EesTeck, which comes in packs of 50, 100, or 150, made of stainless steel. These Sawtooth hangers are sturdy, rust-resistant, and long-lasting. They come with 8mm screws to attach to the back of your frame. Number 4. Heavy-duty picture frame hooks. These picture hangers are the same ones that are used in museums and art galleries around the world. If you have an important artwork to hang, these are ideal. Each picture hang solutions hook comes with 3 nails and can hold up to 100 pounds, much more than a regular painting or artwork. Number 5. BIGTEDDY French Cleat Picture Hangers. The BIGTEDDY French Cleat Picture Hangers are great for all types of artworks, especially the oddly shaped ones or those which are hard to hang. In this set, you get 4 hangers, and that means 8 pieces. One piece screws to the back of your artwork, and the other attaches to the wall. You then slide one piece into the other. For heavier artworks, you can use 2 to mount on the wall. The great thing about these hangers is that you can slide your pictures from the wall in a matter of seconds. Great if you want to clean behind your picture, as they are permanent fixtures. The paintings do not sway when on the wall, like they might do when suspended by a wire. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching.